Governor Roy Cooper signed a bill into law this week that requires more juveniles to be tried in adult court. WRAL's Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie has this analysis.
One part of the new law is named Lyric and Devon's Law after Lyric Woods and Devon Clark, the two teenagers who were murdered by another teenager in Orange County last year. NC Sheriff's Association General Counsel Eddie Caldwell says law enforcement knew who the suspect was, but they couldn't put out a bulletin on him because he was under 18.
Shortly after he killed the two teenagers, they got reliable information that he had gone to Delaware. And so then they were in a situation where they're looking for a teenager in Delaware, and they can't tell anybody the teenager's last name. They can't publish photographs.
The new law allows a judge to decide whether to release names, photos, and other information about juveniles who are suspected of violent crimes and could pose a threat to public safety. And in emergency situations, law enforcement can release that information without a court order. The intent of the original law was to protect juveniles' identities.
But when you've got somebody that's committed a murder, they've sort of given up all rights to anonymity.
Another part of the new law rolls back some of the juvenile justice reforms made over the past decade. It requires that 13 to 15-year-olds who commit first-degree murder must be tried in adult court, not juvenile court. That change comes after the mass shooting in Raleigh's Hedingham neighborhood last year, when 15-year-old Austin Thompson allegedly killed 5 people and injured 2 others. Under the law at the time, Thompson had to be tried in juvenile court first. The new law will automatically move cases like his to adult court if there is probable cause or an indictment. It will also require 16 and 17-year-olds to be tried as adults for violent crimes like armed robbery, rape, or manslaughter. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, Raleigh.
Now, this new law takes effect December 1st. The changes are not retroactive.